let's make healthy seeded oat bread that is super easy to make, high in fiber, and so delicious.
Start by adding 1.5 cups of warm water into a bowl. Then add 4 teaspoons of dry yeast, which is about 11 grams. Then just stir until the yeast is dissolved. Then add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and stir. Then in another bowl, mix together 1 cup of gluten-free oat flour and 1 tablespoon of Psyllium husk powder. Then pour it into the bowl with the wet ingredients. Then add 1 cup of gluten-free oats and 1/3 cup of ground flaxseeds. Then mix with a hand mixer with dough hooks for about 3 minutes. Lastly, fold in 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. Then pour the dough into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. Then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds on top. Then let it rise uncovered for 35 to 45 minutes. Bake the bread at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. If the crust starts to look dark, you can add a piece of foil on top for the rest of the baking time. And here is the ready healthy seeded oat bread. It was so quick and easy to make. This bread is really moist, soft, and delicious. Written recipe is in the description box. Hope you try it out. Enjoy!